Hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Well, get your lips ready with this vanilla mint lip scrub. For this recipe, you will need a teaspoon of white sugar and a teaspoon of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You also want this little handy jar to keep your lip scrub in. Let's get started. These sugars are going to act as the exfoliant, while this coconut oil acts as a moisturizer, making your lips soft and luscious. Now I'm going to stir it all together, and don't forget your peppermint essential oil. I'm only going to add 1 drop to this recipe. A little goes a long ways, and I'm going to make sure that it is mixed very well. Once it's all mixed, it's ready to go. Just add a little bit to your lips to gently exfoliate and remove dead skin. Store it in a small sealable container so that it's ready to use whenever your lips need a little pick-me-up. This recipe is featured in our December recipe box. Subscribe today to get everything you need for this recipe to make your lips naturally luscious. Go and make your home more natural.